Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I'm going to show you guys this little dock. This is the, I don't know what it is. It's the Antank little charging dock. You can't see it really too much from the picture there, but this is what the box looks like. There's the barcode if it means anything, but I'm going to open this up and show you guys. It's for charging dock for the Switch, so if you have a Nintendo Switch, you can charge it with this. So let's check this out. So if we open it up, and check this out. It looks like a little pokeball, I guess is what it's called. And it's got a little rubber base on it so it won't slide on the counter, and a little rubber back here so it's nice and soft. And then it's got the USB-C plug there, and then a little back there. So, and then the USB-C plug right there to plug it in. So we're gonna give this thing a try. Let me aim you guys down slightly so you can see what's going on. Okay, so here is the dock. Actually, I have to put it here because my wire's not quite long enough, but I'll plug it in to my wire. And then right now, it's kind of light, but there, I'll put it there. And then if we put the dock on it, you know, I've never used one of these before. Oh, but see, the Switch has that little indent in there, so that kind of tells you how to line it up. So you just line it up and plug it in, and now it's charging. You see, it's got the little charging thing. So it works, and it looks pretty cool. I don't even know how to turn it off, so it's there. So that's what it looks like. So now it's charging. So we have a little charging dock, and it's just plugged in there. Nice little dock, pretty cool. Thumbs up, I like this little thing. Very cool. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. The link's in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourselves. Thanks, bye.